Careful. I'm a plant, not a fish. Killing a ZZ plant or a snake plant is actually harder than keeping them alive. But if you ignore these points, you might lose them. Just like that. Here are 5 main reasons why they die. And the last one is the most important. Hi friends. Reason 1. Wrong pot choice. Using a very big pot, thinking you won't need to repot for years. Tall cylinder pots hold too much soil, and water doesn't drain well. Over time, roots start to rot. Best solution: fill half of the pot with clay pebbles, so less soil stays wet and water drains faster. Reason 2. Poor soil. Heavy compact soil. SUFOCATS the roots. Use light, airy, nutritious soil instead. Reason 3. Pot type. The best pot for these plants is still the simple plastic nursery pot. It's light, standard and root friendly. Ceramic pots. Their flat bottom makes water climb back up and keeps roots wet. Best fix: add lacquer stones at the bottom. This keeps air flowing from below and stops water from returning. Have you ever killed a ZZ plant or a snake plant? Which mistake did you make? Tell us in the comments, so other plant lovers won't repeat it. Remember this: always water your plant only when 2/3 of the soil is dry. Reason 4. Overwatering. Too much water, or watering too often. This drowns the roots and makes them weak and mushy. Reason 5. Poor air circulation. This one is the most important. Good airflow helps the soil dry faster and keeps roots healthy inside the pot. Without it, the plant slowly suffocates. If this video was helpful, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss the next tips and easy plant care guides. And in the end, your plants will thank you.